Hey there, money warriors. Ever feel like your cash is disappearing faster than a pizza at a party? Today, we're breaking down the 4 golden rules of financial literacy that nobody taught you in school. Trust me, these could literally change your life. But first, quick question. What if I told you that 67% of Americans don't even know the basics of managing their money? Pretty wild, right? Let's make sure you're not one of them. Rule number 1, know your money flow. Think of your money like water. You need to know exactly where it's coming from and where it's going. Pull up your bank statements right now. I mean it. Pause the video if you need to. We're going to break this down into 2 simple categories. Money in, your regular paycheck. Side hustles, investments, any other income money out. Essential expenses, rent, food, utilities. Non-essential spending, that daily coffee run adds up. Debt payments, savings. Pro tip, use the 50-30-20 rule. 50% for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings and debt payment. Rule number 2, make your money work for you. Here's where it gets exciting. Your money should be making you more money. I'm talking about high-yield savings accounts, investment accounts, retirement contributions, emergency fund building. Let me tell you a quick story. My friend Sarah started investing just $50 a month 5 years ago. Today, her investment has grown to over $4,000. Small, consistent actions, big results. Rule number 3, protect your financial future. This isn't the sexy part of finance, but it's crucial. Build an emergency fund covering 3 to 6 months of expenses. Get appropriate insurance coverage. Regularly check your credit score. Protect against identity theft. Think of it like wearing a seatbelt. You hope you never need it, but you'll be glad it's there if you do. Rule number 4, live below your means. Here's the brutal truth. If you're spending everything you make, you're setting yourself up for failure. The real secret to wealth isn't making more money, it's keeping more of what you make. Challenge. Try living on 80% of your income for the next 30 days. Take the other 20% and split it between savings and debt payment. I guarantee you'll barely notice the difference in your daily life, but your bank account will thank you. Now it's your turn. In the comments below, tell me which of these rules you're going to tackle first. And if you found this helpful, smash that like button and hit subscribe for more financial wisdom dropped every week. Remember, financial literacy isn't about being perfect. It's about making progress. See you in the next video.